What's up, everybody? I'm Bryan Brozy, doctor of physical therapy, Be Well Physical Therapy and Wellness, co-host of the Well Man's podcast. I'm also a personal trainer. Today, what I'm going to be demonstrating is a pose from yoga, the fish pose. It is a great pose to relax at the end of the day with, release the tension in our front body, kind of all these flexion muscles, and help facilitate a more open chest, proud, open posture, and definitely helps facilitate relaxation. So what I'm going to show you is how to set it up. I'm going to get into the pose and then I'm just going to hang out and relax there for a minute. So you need two yoga blocks or some sort of prop. 2 textbooks will work, 2 towels will work, 2 pillows will work. Find something that'll work for you. The whole point is one block or one prop goes in the middle of your back, right in between the shoulder blades, kind of if you can see the tip of my shoulder blade hopefully pop out here. You're gonna go right kind of in between that tip, in between the two of them. Then that second prop is for the base of your skull or your head, and we can find out where we wanna put this by we reach for the crown of our head, we slide down the back. You're gonna feel a bony prominence, and that's your occipital protuberance. We wanna basically support right there with the second prop, so we get nice relaxation of our neck as well. So it'll take some kind of playing with to make sure the position's right for you. I love setting up kind of like this to start. The reasoning for this is my head's a little bit higher and my shoulders are a little bit lower, so I'm getting a little less of an intense stretch, right? As I change this block to a lower height, the stretch is going to become more. And then at the end, it's always great to remove the prop and fully just lay down in that position. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into the fish pose for you here. Again, that's going in between my shoulder blades, on the base of my head or skull. And you'll find the position. You'll immediately notice how supported you feel along your neck, upper back. And then we just let those arms palm up because we want to stay in a nice neutral, externally rotated position. And from here, we just relax. Again, if I want to, I can lower the block of my head. Obviously, I'm getting a little bit more of an intense stretch across the front. And then at the very end, and they do this quite often in the yoga classes that I'm taking and that incorporate fish pose, they always tend to have you just get in tune with your body, seeing how much you've opened up by finishing up fish pose and then just laying flat. And really feel that opening and relaxation across your chest. Perform this as directed on your Be Well Beyond protocol or your home protocol, or just give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments.